Okay, team, is the coast clear?
Mom is in the garden.
Garden.
Garden!
Today is a special day. We need to make the biggest cake ever for Mom.
Shh! It's a surprise!
Surprise! We're making a cake, a yummy, yummy cake. The bestest cake that we can bake.
Crack the eggs, 1, 2, 3. Stir the mix, happy as can be.
Poof!
Mix it left, mix it right. Making a surprise, what a delight. Sugar and flour and a little bit of we wait.
Is it done yet?
Not yet.
It's perfect! Now frosting time!
Dad, you look like a clown.
Oh yeah? Well, you look like a Smurf.
Dad, more sprinkles.
Okay, that's enough sprinkles, Ben.
Hello, boys. Hello, Lily.
What are you doing? Surprise! Oh, wow. Did you make this? It's the most beautiful cake ever.
And the messiest.